So we are keeping those MWC TV interviews coming, and it is my pleasure to be joined by Vodafone's Director of Network Strategy and Engineering, Nadia Benabdallah. How are you, Nadia?
Very well, thank you, Lucy.
All right.
I'm really excited to be here again this year. And this is a very special place where most of our partners gather under the same roof. And this is a particularly exciting year because we had a world first. We made the first video call from a remote location with no coverage in Wales to Margherita Della Valle, our CEO. And that was quite a great experience with a great quality. Also, we have another news. We have announced that we are opening a Europe first research center in Malaga. And this will allow us to really guarantee to our customer a seamless and integrated experience between LEO, satellite service, and land mobile communication service.
I mean, let's just rewind back a little bit. I mean, this is a massive pivotal moment in connectivity for the industry and just a great talking point for you. I know you're doing a lot of work around it. We're talking satellite-based mobile networks. This is going to completely change the game. So talk to me about the work you're doing around that and just how the technology works.
Yes, okay, so let's try to make it simple. So think of the satellites in the skies as antenna, just like the antennas we have on top of the mast. The antennas on top of the mast are connected with the equipment at the base of the mast with fiber. Here instead, the antennas are connected via satellites to the ground stations. The equipment is installed near the ground stations, and then they connect directly to the core just like a regular site. And so it is really an extension of our network that will allow to give the same features, the same experience, the same security capabilities as well. So I would say this is quite exciting. Also, the fact that you have in the sky a 600 square foot array really allows you to have more disciplined beams, let's just say scenario beams, which limits the interference, adjacent channel interference, and cross-border interference. And so it allows you to connect seamlessly and reliably to 4G and 5G. And also, from the ground, so from the devices to the sky, this array is able to also listen to the devices and is able to compensate for the fact that you are at 600 kilometers above the sky and that they're traveling at 16,000 miles per hour, okay? And to the device, this seems like a static base station. So this will definitely revolutionize the telecommunication industry.
Absolutely. Well, you can tell by my face as you're talking that I'm equally excited as I am intrigued. But what I want to know is, when is this going to be commercially available?
Okay, so it's true, we did the first call between Rowan, our R&D engineer, and Margherita, but there's still a lot to be done, okay? So we still need the constellation up in the sky from AST, and we need to complete the deployments of the gateways on the ground, okay? What is important is that we need only about 100 satellites in order to be able to give good coverage to the UK and the rest of our European countries, so this is an advantage. We are expecting to be able to give service to the UK and the European countries in 2026. Okay, we will be working also with the national regulators to make sure that we respect all the regulation that governs the use of the spectrum. Okay.
Honestly, you got me very excited for this. I'm all about seamless connectivity and just not having those horrible blackout moments where you don't get any coverage. And I don't know about you, but that really stresses me out. So this is very exciting. And finally, what other network-based innovations from Vodafone can you maybe tell us about?
If you look at the booth is really full of use cases and technologies that enable the business. And this year, again, it's really a lot centered around AI and APIs. We have quite a few use cases on that. And also showing how AI can really enable the network in order to give a better customer experience, better resilience, accelerate automation of the network. We are also enabling third parties to develop APIs on top of our network. So I would say quite an exciting offering this year.
I mean, there's so much going on. It's quite mind-blowing, isn't it? So it really is going to be quite a busy show for you, Nadia. Yeah. Well, on that note, thank you so much. I'm looking forward to what's coming from Vodafone in the satellite-based mobile network space. Very excited about that. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great show.